Hi and welcome, Lisa here, bringing you another product reveal with the new Alphabet Mini stamp set. Now, this is a 4x6 stamp set loaded with little alphabet letters. I'm in love with this set. You're going to notice a few things about this set that's different from some other sets that you may have seen. This set, you're going to get the uppercase and the lowercase letters. You're also going to get your numbers with this set. There's some words included in here, very common words that you use quite often. It's, and, you, are, thee, so, to, making building your sentiment that much easier because you have those words included. You're going to get your hashtag, exclamation, question marks, double exclamation, quotes, asterisk. So you're getting a lot of great extra things with this set that you might not necessarily get in another set. Also, I'm going to stamp out the word better during the video. And the reason that I'm going to do that is I want to show you how they've made this so easy for us. So I'm going to go ahead and line my B and E up. And then you see there's a double T stamp. So I don't have to worry about grabbing two separate T's. I can just grab that one stamp, line it up on my block, and there we go, better. And not only is there double T's, but there's double E's, L's, P's, O's, S, T's, TH is on here as well. So you're not having to constantly grab for each individual stamp because those extras have been added in there. This is a very well thought out alphabet stamp set. I absolutely love it. Now, some of you are probably thinking, I get sentiments with my stamps. But for me, and I know there are a lot of you out there like me, sometimes you want to add your own twist to your sentiment. And you're going to see that at the end of the video with the card I created to share with you. There's a lot of times that I'll have a stamp set and I can see something in my mind's eye, but I don't have the sentiment. And I can go to the printer and print it out, but I'm a stamper. I want to stamp it out. So I absolutely love having this stamp set. So here, the party came with that stamp set. And then I, using that little Alphabet Mini stamp set, added like it's 1999. And I love adding silliness to my cards with my own sentiments like that. And so this stamp set is going to make that possible for me. I appreciate you watching. If you want to see more inspiration using the Alphabet Mini stamp set, be sure to join us over on the blog. Check us out on Instagram. And you know, we want to see what you're creating with the Whimsy Stamps products. So be sure you're sharing those with us in our Facebook group, Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration. And until next time, take care.